In the previous video, we spoke about variables which can store integers and chars. In this video, I'll be talking about variables that can store doubles and strings. Okay, so doubles are just numbers, not whole numbers, but numbers that are 0.1, 2.5, negative 4.5, numbers like that. But even whole numbers can be doubles. So doubles are just advanced integers, and then strings are also advanced chars. So because they can store like a full name of a person, not just a letter, So yeah, that's just it to them. But okay, so let's just get to it. Okay, cool. If you want to use strings, you have to include the header file for strings. So you'll say hash include double brackets string. Okay, now we can start working with strings. Okay, let's just remove everything that we have here. Okay, we want to create a variable that stores doubles. So our variable will be storing a double. The name of our variable is not a month, but price. Yeah, that will be price, and then we equating price to maybe 12.45. Okay, and then now we want to create a variable which stores a string. So we'll say string, and then it'll be name, the variable name. And then we equate it to every time when you want to write something on a variable that stores a string, you use the quotation marks. Well, then what we want to write in the string is study client. Okay, cool. Now let's see if these were successfully stored within our variables. Let's firstly see out the name, or we'll just do all of them at once. Let me copy this, paste it here, and then copy the price here, Control C, and then B. Okay, cool. This should be fine. Should run. Okay, I forgot this here. Drive, leave out. Okay, that's all. Okay, now let's run this and see what we get. Okay, cool. Now we can see that in the first line, we have our name, which is study climb. It was stored successfully in this price. In this name variable. And then we have price. Okay, let me see. We have price. Again, here it was stored successfully in this name, which is a string type, data type. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. As I said, that doubles are advanced integers. So let me just prove that to you guys. So you see this, if we make this an integer, we'll only be getting the 12 in our output. As I said, that integers, they can only store whole numbers. So this 0.45, it won't be seeing it out here. Okay, let me just run this code again so that you can see. Now we'll be only getting the 12 on the price and not the whole number. Okay, cool. Now that you can see static climb, we haven't done anything to it. And then the 12, we're only getting the 12, yet we stored 12.45 in the price. That is only because this variable is an integer now. It can no longer store decimal numbers or decimal points. Okay, cool. Let me also just make this a char so that you can see what will happen in that case. Make this a char. Well, I'm guessing that if we make this a char, only the s will be stored in this variable name. Let me run this and see if we get that. Oh, so it's only the E which is at the end. Only the E was stored in this variable name. So it's stored S, it's stored T, it's stored U, it's stored. So, but then the values, the characters, they kept replacing each other until the last E was stored in the variable. Let's put a T here at the end and see what was stored, what will be stored. See, now only the T is stored. So it tried storing the S, and then after the S, it stored the T overwriting the S. So that's how char works. So as I said, that strings are advanced chars and then doubles are advanced integers. Okay, cool. That's it for this video. Like the video if it was useful to you, and also comment on how I can make the video better. Subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.